Hey everyone, I'm Dr. McKinney, and my abnormal psychology class is doing a service learning project called Sleep Matters. We know that sleep is so vital to our health and to our mental and physical health. Each role of sleep plays a key role in our brain health. REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep, facilitates processing emotional information. It also helps consolidate our memories and kind of goes back over what we did each day and helps consolidate those memories. Sleep is also rejuvenating, right? We need sleep to survive, to rejuvenate our cells, replicate and rejuvenate. So that is very important. Sleep also plays a key role in mental illness. People that suffer from anxiety or depression, if they don't get good quality sleep, then they can suffer even more, and their depression and anxiety will worsen. People that suffer with bipolar disorder, not getting enough sleep can result in a manic episode, and it can even cause psychosis. We know that if you stay awake too long, then you will definitely go into psychosis and have delusions and hallucinations. So with this knowledge and with the knowledge that college students are kind of notorious for not being great sleepers and pulling all-nighters and all that good stuff, I thought it was important to talk a little bit about sleep hygiene. So sleep hygiene is kind of the fancy term for things that you can do that can improve your sleep. So really the most important thing is trying to go to bed about the same time each night and waking up about the same time each morning. Our bodies operate on a biological clock. We have what's called the circadian rhythm. So we go to bed, and our sleep cycle is every 24 hours. So if we can try to keep a schedule, you won't even need to set an alarm. Your body will just get used to that. Also, we need to try to have a nighttime routine. If there's something that works for you, for example, some people like a hot bath, or some people like a noise machine. Some people like the fan going, or maybe like it a little bit cooler when they're trying to go to sleep. So find out what works for you. If you do drink caffeine, like myself, try to not have any caffeine after 5 p.m. That will just keep you awake. And if you, like myself, are a bit of a phone addict, there's a couple games on my phone that aren't even fun, but I can't stop playing. Try to turn it off before you get into bed. That blue light really tricks our brain into thinking that it's daylight when it's not. And any other thing that helps. Exercising during the day is really impactful. So what I'm asking my students to do is to try and change one sleep habit and to try and improve your sleep. So what we have, so think about, what bad habit can you try and change? As for myself, I can definitely work on my phone. I kind of switch it out with a book, or, try to just be quiet and be still. So that's my main habit that I've been working on this semester. But I encourage you and challenge you to do the same. But before you do that, there is a short survey that I would love for you to fill out. So you just scan that QR code with your phone camera, and it will take you straight to the survey. And then try and change that one habit, and then after 1 week, I'll send you a link to the second survey. So thank you very much, and I appreciate you taking part in our study.